Welcome back to Future Car, where we dive deep into the next generation of automotive innovation. Today, we're looking at a machine that's rewriting the rulebook on performance, luxury, and sustainability. The all-new 2026 Porsche Panamera Turbo S E hybrid. And let's just say, this isn't your typical plug-in hybrid. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Panamera makes a bold statement. Porsche's designers have refined its lines to strike a perfect balance between aggression and elegance. The redesigned front fascia features sharper matrix LED headlights, a wider grille, and sculpted air intakes that hint at the beast lurking underneath. Around back, the full-width LED light bar remains, but with a more 3D effect, adding depth and futuristic flair. Now, under the hood is where things get really serious. This isn't just about looking good, it's about raw performance. The Turbo SE hybrid combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an upgraded electric motor. Together, they push out a jaw-dropping 771 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. That means 0 to 60 mph in just about 3 seconds, supercar territory, in a full-sized luxury sedan. And thanks to an improved 25.9 kWh battery pack, you also get up to 50 miles of pure electric driving. Daily commutes? Handled. Weekend blasts? Even better. Inside, Porsche has taken things to a whole new level. The cabin is modern, intuitive, and fully digital. The curved driver's display, upgraded infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and optional passenger screen provide a tech-savvy experience without feeling overwhelming. Materials are top-tier: premium leather, recycled carbon accents, and customizable ambient lighting make it a truly luxurious place to be. Driving dynamics are classic Porsche: precise, confident, and engaging. The adaptive air suspension, rear wheel, steering, and advanced torque vectoring make this Panamera feel much smaller and nimbler than it actually is. Whether you're carving through twisty roads or cruising on the highway, it's smooth, composed, and always in control. Porsche has also included their latest driver assistance features, including semi-autonomous driving in traffic and advanced parking assistance. It's everything a future-focused luxury buyer could want: speed, style, sustainability, and smarts. The 2026 Panamera Turbo S E hybrid isn't just an evolution, it's a statement. A message that you don't have to compromise. You can have brutal speed, refined luxury, and responsible efficiency, all in one jaw-dropping package. Thanks for watching Future Car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a look at tomorrow's most exciting vehicles. Until next time, drive the future.